Welcome everyone. It's time to get started. This first flight is presented by your friends at the Bank of Estes Park. Thank you very much for your support. Our Grand Marshal, Patrick Warburton, has his steady hand on the release button. And we'd like to thank him for coming out to help us today. Many thanks, Patrick.
Thanks, Patrick.
Thank you, Patrick.
Now, I can tell all these ducks are getting a cramp in their little webbed toes. So let's get this race started. Can you guys help me give them a countdown? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch!
Cool duck with sunglasses.
Yeah.
Can I go? Oh, I want to go on the other side of it.
It's a duck race.
No,